In this video, I am going to tell you how to use seeds for Aternos servers in Minecraft. So this is my Aternos account. I am logged in. You can see login option is showing. So you need to open aternos.org and then you need to sign up an account and log in. And then after that you need to create a server. I hope friends now you know how to create a server. If you do not know, I will share you a link in the I button how to create server. After creating the server, you need to go to the specific server where you want to use seeds. So just select the server, and at the left hand side, this is the left hand panel, you can see this option of worlds. So just tap on worlds. So once this page opens up, you need to go for this option generate. So just tap on generate, and herein you can see there is an option of seed. You can enter the seed here and you can simply click on generate. So it is very easy. You can simply enter seeds here and click on generate. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. And if you want to check which seed you are using, on the same world page you need to click on option, and it will show you which seed you are using at present. So this will open this page and you can see seed. This is the seed which I am using at present in options. So I hope friends now you will be able to generate seeds, and in case you face any problem you can comment below and I will definitely give a reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.